I'm going to be working on this 18 by 24 inch DALA stretched artist canvas, 100% cotton, triple primed, and it is 18 by 24 inches, 45 by 60 centimeters. If you watched my previous video number 43, I did a diagonal swipe. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe, but I'm going to be using metallics, and I want a lot more negative space on the canvas. So I'm looking for an elegant metallic finish on a white base. So let's get started on today's pour. I'm going to start with flooding my canvas first. I'm using a white base. This is a DALA Craft Paint mixed with my pouring medium, which is glue and water, and I'm using the Dutch pour consistency. Alright, let me show you my colors. I'm going to be using a black. This is a DALA black paint. This is a Craft metallic gold. I'm going to be using a DALA metallic silver. And all my paints are in the consistency for a Dutch pour. This is a DALA metallic bronze. So I've got three metallics. I've got a bronze, a gold, and a silver. And then I've got white and black. And I'm going to be using a white paint for my swiping color. And my swipe tools today is going to be the paper towel, which I've just torn apart, and I'm going to dampen this with regular tap water just to give it some weight, and this will be my swiping tool. So I've also added 1 drop of silicone oil into my colors, just 1 drop, and I use the dropper, which works so well. So I've put 1 drop of silicone oil in all of my colors except the white. So there's no silicone in my base paint, and there's no silicone in my swiping color. All right, I'm excited for this pour. So let me lay down the colors. I'm going to start with the silver. So I want to leave some negative space in these 2 corners, and we're going to lay down the colors in a nice elegant pattern. let me torch this. Just the edge that I've added on, let me just give it a torch. There we go. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, let me just clean up the underside. If you don't clean under your canvases, your paint will keep moving and shifting, and those drips will pull all your paint off your canvas. Just all your paint will be pulled off your canvas. Okay. All right. I love this painting. Let me bring you down for a close-up. I don't think you can see the beauty in this painting from your vantage point. I don't think you can see the beauty in this canvas. Let me bring you down for a closer look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends, your contacts, your family. I would really appreciate that if you did. So thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Stay well, and bye for now.